Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up your data because a factory reset wipes everything. Use Google Drive, My Cloud, or copy to your PC. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to speed updates after the reset. Now disable or remove screen locks and sign out of Google and My accounts if you can. This prevents being locked by factory reset protection. Then power off the device to get ready for recovery mode and the actual reset steps. You'll now boot into recovery mode. Press volume up and power together until the My logo appears, though some models require volume down. Check briefly if needed. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to move through options and press power to select. This lets you control the menu without touch. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset, read the confirmation, and confirm to erase user data. The system will show progress once it completes. Choose Reboot System Now to restart into a fresh setup. After reboot, you'll go through Android's initial setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google and My accounts, and restore backups when prompted. Once restored, reinstall apps and check settings to confirm everything works. If factory reset protection asks for the previous account and you don't have credentials, don't panic. Try account recovery or use the My Account website first, and if that fails, contact Xiaomi support. Finally, update system, software, and verify that battery and sensors
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.